Hello everybody, welcome back to HardReset.Info channel. In today's video I'll show you how you can easily see advanced information on your Starlink. So first, what you guys need to do is open up the Starlink app. Here, as you guys can see, we have the main menu. Now we need to scroll a bit down until we see advanced here, right at the bottom. Now here we have information about the app, their version, number, and here we have the information about the Starlink and router. As you guys can see, we can easily see the uptime for both of these devices. We can see the software version, and we can also see their IDs. Also, for the router, we can see that it's Gen 3, not Gen 2 or Gen 1, so that's pretty cool. And that will be it. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to leave a like, subscribe, and see you next time. Bye.